Okay, so we're going to start and unwrapping our compact mirror. I grabbed this mirror at Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and take the wrapping off, and we also want to remove the stickers. So just make sure that you clean off everything before you start adding your Mod Podge to your crafting. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the Mod Podge to the top of our compact mirror. And this is a Wet n Wild Concealer large brush that I am using to add the Mod Podge. So we're just going to go ahead and fill every single part of the top of your mirror. Make sure it's completely covered. Okay, so we're now going to add our glitter. This is extra fine and I grabbed it from Walmart. Now you can choose to use extra fine or fine glitter, or really the size of the glitter that you want. For my liking, I like either extra fine or fine. Works best for my projects. Okay, now that we let the glitter dry for 1 hour, we are going to add another coat. So the same thing, we're going to apply Mod Podge to the top of our compact mirror and repeat the process with adding glitter. Okay, now we're going to do our last coat, which is polyacrylic. This is going to help you seal, and this one I've completed and done. Let it dry so you can see the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed this project. It is super easy and really fun. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.